Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The Supreme Court has disposed of as infructuous the special leave petition filed by Congress leader Chodankar pleading to disqualify 10 MLAs who had defected from the Congress party in July 2019 and had joined BJP. The Supreme Court, while disposing of this SLP, has observed that in view of the fact that during pendency of this petition, fresh elections in the state legislative assembly have taken place, the issue raised in the instant petition have become largely academic. The Supreme Court has further noted that the petitioner has meanwhile filed another SLP wherein similar questions have been raised. The second SLP is filed by Greece, pleading to disqualify G8 MLAs defected from Congress in September 2022, granting liberty to the parties to file counter affidavit and rejoinders. The Supreme Court has fixed hearing on second SLP on 7th April. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.